This is market review for Tuesday, May the 3rd. I had a losing day today, so I lost $75. I shorted AMD at the beginning and I lost $50, and then I shorted the WDC, lost another $50, and I tried to make some back by longing AMD eventually and shorting SPY. So there's some winning trades and losing trades. End up as a losing day. So we need to review this carefully. And I would like to focus more on the trades that lost money. And looking back, I think there's one trade I definitely should not take, which is the first trade, the shorting AMD. So let me show you what's going on. So this is the AMD execution I did. I had a lot of trades. It was very choppy at the beginning. Eventually break out to the upside, and I took a long trade, finally made some money back, but I still lost money. So the problem I have with this stock today is I was shorting on the 1 minute open range breakdown. So basically this is the open range from here to here. When it broke down, I shorted, and then we come back up, I stopped out. So I had a full loss on this trade. And looking back, I think my open range breakout trades usually works well for the reversal pattern. Meaning if the first candle is red on the break to the upside is a better trade. If the first candle is green, then break down is a better trade. Because it break down, it had a red candle first. So if it continues to break down, it's usually a lot of time it forms a bear trap. And you can see AMD is really strong. So for today, like after I entered on this breakdown, this is the low of the day, and it's able to hold above that. It never go below. So going long, you never stop out. But going short, you never make any profit and you get stopped out quickly. And this is different from NVIDIA. I think NVIDIA was relatively weaker. You can take like this high of the day, didn't get break, so you have plenty of chance to get out here. So if I was looking at the relative strength, I should short in NVIDIA, but I shorted AMD afterwards. So that's what I want to say. Next time, I should not be shorting it on the open range breakdown if the first candle is already red. The first candle, if it's red, we should anticipate a false breakdown and it came back up, and we can go long here. So we go long here and we put our stop here. It never go below. So eventually it break out. Right? So that's a better trade. Definitely AMD is doing very strong compared to the market. So at first, if it's a red candle, you should just be careful. Don't get bear trapped. So that's a lesson I learned. I actually put down some rules in my trading tool to make sure for the second minute when I enter any trade, don't chase it. If it's already red, wait for the pullback. Wait for a green candle. So let's remove these execution first. Let's remove these execution. Let me show you if we do it again, how should we do that? Okay, need to not show the trades. So if we are doing this again, how should we do that? Is let the stock go down and wait for the pullback and short on the first new low. So it should be here, right? Because the low was getting higher, higher, higher. So the first time the low gets lower is here, then you short here. Put stop here, short here, and I think you still have chance to get out at break even. So as long as you get out anywhere in this range, you don't lose money, right? So you can see that it doesn't try to go down and go back up, but didn't hit your stop, and when it come back down again, this is a chance for you to get out, because it's by that time you will see it's definitely stronger than SPY, because SPY already make a low of the day multiple times. So you can get out and then try to go long when it break to the upside. But if we be patient and go short, is this trend line, basically this higher low breakdown, you can short it, but not on the opening range breakdown. Opening range breakdown is risky because the first candle is already red, so it already made a down move by that much. How far it can go more, right? So you don't want to chase it when already made a big down move. Second candle is also red. Then when a third candle came back green, then you can see, okay, I'm going to short under here. But then the next candle from the higher low, then you move your short entry to here. Eventually you move short entry to here and you short it. And when you short it that, and you will have chance to get out, not losing money. So that's the idea. That's what I'm going to follow next time. Don't chase it. Pay attention to the first candle and usually take a reversal pattern at the beginning, or let it pull back and take a new low, lower low, first new low. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching.